Yeah, my name is Anselm. I'm new into property investing.
And what have you been doing here this week?
Well, this week has been a very revealing one. It's just trying to make sure we have the correct domain knowledge and also to bond with people who are already doing it. Because as it said, iron sharpeneth iron. So when you get into the deep, getting to know the right nose and bolts of how it is done, and get some learning from those who have been on the field. So I find encouraging.
Great. And what's the room been like, the vibe, the energy?
Well, it's amazing. It's unbelievable. Everybody seems to be pumped up, and that's actually the right environment to be, in order to feed off that buzz and that energy.
And what are you looking to do in property?
Yeah, good question. I joined the academy only recently, only about 2 days ago. So my interest would be rent to SA, HMO, and then I'll then move into property development. But for now, I want to start with desourcing and rent to SA.
Great. And last question, what do you think of the environment? Would you recommend somewhere like this to someone who's looking maybe just getting into property?
Yeah, it's a good environment. There is enough space, and the building is quite sufficient for the number of people, and it's a great location anyway. So that's it's a good one.